Let me show you something amazing. So right here I'm going to fill my Facebook lead ads form. So here I'm on this form which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled this form providing the first name, new, last name, lead, email, phone number and the company name. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now here on my Notion account you can see that I don't have any lead yet. Now let me refresh this page and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving my lead details which I have just filled over my Facebook lead ads form, having the customer's name as new lead, customer's email address, phone number and the company name too. So now you can see that by using this automation, I'm successfully adding my Facebook lead details to the Notion. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. So now let me show you how you can use Pabbly Connect for integrating thousands of applications. And for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads form. So here I have selected this application. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page where if you want to build a new connection then you have to select this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads. And right here I'm going to select my Facebook account. So as I have clicked over this continue button, you can see that my connection has been built in. And here on my Facebook account I have created this page named as Pabbly Connect which I'm going to use. So now let me search for the page through which I'm going to receive my new leads. So right here you can see that I'm getting this page which I have selected. Now let's select the lead gen form. So here I'm going to select my form as lead form, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all lead gen forms also. Now let me select this form and keep the response format as simple, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, let's do the test submission, and for that you have to move towards the Meta for Developers page with me. So right here I'm on the Meta for Developers page where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools which you have to select, and here on the developer tools page I'm going to select this tool, that is lead ads RTU debug tool. And right here I'm on the lead ad testing tool page where again I'm going to select the page, that is the Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to search for it, and now here again I'm going to keep my form as same. And now let's click over this preview form button for getting our Facebook lead ads form. So right here I'm getting my form, so I'm going to just click over this continue button, and now let's fill this form. So here I have filled this form providing all the details. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this lead detail over the Pabbly Connect or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where you can see 11 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the details of the lead which we have just filled over our Facebook lead ads form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger application. And now as soon as someone will fill your Facebook lead ads form, the response will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now let's add this data to the Notion. So here I'm going to search for the Notion where I'm going to create the database item. So right here we are getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as create database item. Now let's connect it. Now here for building the new connection, let's click over this button, that is connect with Notion. And right here I'm going to select the pages. So here I'm going to just click over this select pages. So here I'm going to select this page which is essential, that is Facebook lead details, where I want to add the details of my Facebook leads. Now let's allow the access, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the database where we want to add the data. So here I'm going to keep my database as same, that is Facebook lead details. And now we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the company name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step, which will make the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my lead details from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads by using the method that is mapping. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from here I'm going to map the company name. Now let's map the phone number. So here I'm going to map the phone number too. Now let's map the customer's email address. So here I have mapped the email too. Now let's map the customer's name. So for that, firstly I'm going to provide the first name and provide the space, and now let's map the last name. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single Facebook lead ads form submission received. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrate that the database item might be created. So right here I'm on my this database, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the lead details having the same customer's name, email address, phone number, and the company name too. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our both the applications, and now as soon as someone will fill the form, the data will be automatically captured over the Pabbly Connect. So now you can also create this automation and automate your business task so that you don't have to check for the leads again and again and add those leads to your database. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.